response to Paulo Cruzada and especially Ate Dina Guillermo. Why both of you threatening to hostage my relatives and my cousins, even Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, Ate Isa, Paulo Cruzada? You don't really have to shame yourself. This Paulo Cruzada is threatening to hostage my cousins, Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, and Ate Isa. And he said that, i-hostage ko si Hana Arcila Castro, Mel Nixon Castro, Isa Arcila. Subukan mo ko, ako ang ISIS ng bayan. Loyalty ni Bangag, Bongbong Marcos. Allahu Akbar. Subukan mo ko. What's that? Paulo Cruzada says, hayupak kayo. You know, Paulo Cruzada, when are you gonna stop harassing my relatives, ha? When are you gonna leave my cousins alone? To Rodrigo Duterte, Paulo Cruzada, ha? Even to Mr. Dennis Gill. Paulo Cruzada, when you say about the word pugutan, that means beheaded. If you beheaded Mr. Dennis Gill and Tatay Digong, someday, Paulo Cruzada, if Mr. Dennis Gill had talked to busted Duterte, he will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. Humanda ka, Paulo Cruzada, for what you have done. First of all, you threatening Tatay Digong. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Are you drug addict, Paulo Cruzada? Are you using legal drugs, Paulo Cruzada? Ha? Rodrigo Duterte was imprisoned in The Hague. He was life in sentence there during the time. And then you praising Bangag, Bongbong Marcos. Paulo Cruzada, who are you praising at? Martin Romualdez? Bongbong Marcos? Tisa Araneta Marcos? Itzilon Hapilon? Omar Maute? What the fuck are you saying, Paulo Cruzada? If I talk to Attorney Raul Lambino and Mr. Dennis Gill in personal, I want to tell them to file the cases against Paulo Cruzada and Dina Guillermo. You better to both of you to be hiding. Magtago kayo, like I said. You do not know what you're talking about. What both of you are talking about, it's really nonsense. You know, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, mga putang ina kayo. Fuck you, Paulo Cruzada. And Ate Dina Guillermo, fuck you. Both of you are son of a bitches. Both of you are assholes. You do not know what you're talking about. Look at what you did to you know what you did to Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, and Ate Isa. How would you ever you threatened to hostage them, Paulo Cruzada, and you do not know where its exact address was? Paulo Cruzada, please, I'm begging you. You do not know how to be ashamed of yourself, Paulo Cruzada. Maiya ka naman, Paulo Cruzada. That's why Ronald Rebena says, even Ate Isa was making peace and quiet, and she was taking a rest. You add her in a group chat, Ate Hana, Kuya Mel. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? What is wrong with you? I do not know what you're talking about. I do not know what you're saying to everyone. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, madidimanda ka pa, Paulo Cruzada, at Ate Dina Guillermo. I know Ate Hana, Kuya Mel, and Ate Isa, they will file the lawsuit against you, Paulo Cruzada, and Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh, is this what you like to harass my relatives? Is this what you like to harass my cousins in the first place? Huh? This is really nonsense. Just like I said before, why do all of you want to bully my cousins? Why do all of you want to bully other people? They didn't do anything against both of you. Even Jerick Silva. Oh. What's their problem? Ah. Because I know I just said this screenshot. I will upload this in the YouTube. For what they are saying, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. I've been already chat with your dad. I will already chat with your father. Your father did not respond. He's seen my messages. You were attacking my cousins. What will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo? Oh, both of you will be homeless people. Even the friends of Ate Dina Guillermo will be left you anyway. Even the sister of Ate Dina Guillermo will left you. Oh, even Paulo Cruzada, if his parents died, who will taking care of him? Oh, pag wala na ang magulang ni Paulo Cruzada, sino aampunin kay Paulo Cruzada? Wala, like I said. You know Paulo Cruzada. Ate Hana was an architect. Kuya Mel is an engineer. Ate Isa is also unemployed, same as me. What both of you want to harass Ate Dina Guillermo and Kuya Mel? What is this, Ate Dina Guillermo and Paulo Cruzada? What both of you want to harass Kuya Mel Nixon Castro and Ate Hana and Ate Isa? Don't even know. It's really nonsense. President Rodrigo Duterte, you label him mamatay tao. You and Ate Dina Guillermo, you label him mamatay tao. Mga bobo kayo. Like I said, both of you are assholes. Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo. Like, what both of you want? What both of you want to manipulate? Just like I said before, this is really nonsense. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, both of you, manahimik na lang kayo. Huwag kayo puro sat-sat like I said. You know, both of you are just like a puppet of Antonio Trillanes. Mga gago kayo, Paulo Cruzada at Ate Dina Guillermo. Just like what you are commenting in Facebook of Jerick Silva, it's not really helpful. What if I say again, Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, Viva Ina Montenegro, Viva Mr. Bean. This is really nonsense. Ate Dina Guillermo, Paulo Cruzada, why can't both of you shut the fuck up?